What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another chart recap or trade recap. Today I made a little over $1,000 today. I think I made $1,123. I'm going to show you how I did it. First things first, I want to say patience pays. Have patience. Be patient. Stay patient. Always be patient. If you can trust yourself to just continue to stay patient, and obviously, being too patient can allow you to miss your trades, but in some cases, you need to be more patient. I was very strict on my bias today, and I wasn't going to do anything else. Since Trump tariffs came out, when he had that talk about tariffs, the market has been dropping, and I wasn't going to take nothing else but sells. And I had to be patient. I had to wait. I had to wait to see confirmations for sells. So let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, this is currently the trade I was in. I was in this trade. TP was hit just now, as you can see, but TP3 also got hit, almost TP4. Fire trade. I'm going to break it down for you guys. I'm going to give you all the chart recap. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. Start from here. I never really ever start from here, but the reason I'm starting from here is because you could see how much the chart has dropped, like how much we have dropped from, what is this, Wednesday when Trump spoke, all the way till today. In 3 days span, we dropped from the highs to the lows of today. We dropped almost 4,000 points. 4,000 points. That's crazy, right? With knowing that in mind, we haven't been this low in the markets since really April of last year. Right now it's April. So a whole year ago, this is where we currently was. So we're here right now. So that's really all I want to show you on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, you see these purple lines. I got these from the low. If you look all the way over on the 1-hour time frame, let's just do it really quickly, just so I can. Damn, my chart's moving slow. If you look all the way over on the 1-hour time frame, all the way over, just like I showed you on the 4-hour time frame, you gotta go far. You got to go far, bro. I can't lie to you. Really far. If you go this far, you'll see the lows that was created in April and May of last year, which I put a line at both of them. I didn't completely draw them out. I just put a line because I know where I'm at in price. I'm not going to do a bar replay tool right now because we already know where we're at right now. It just happened. Like the trade, I just hit TP like 10-15 minutes ago. Yeah, so it just kind of happened, but you see, look at the trend. We had a 4,000 point drop off. Look at this. Where's the lines? Boom. Look at that. We made lows, made highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, create even lower lows. So the trend is bearish. The trend on the 1-hour time frame is bearish. We drop down to the 15-minute. The trend is bearish on the 15-minute trend. It looks the same. It looks 4,000 points. Remember this. 4,000 points in 3 days. That's a huge drop. That's like crazy. You feel me? The market's never moved that much in 3 days unless there's a big fundamentals. And I just told you guys. Trump spoke about tariffs. If you're not aware of it right now, he's doing this whole war on tariffs. It's big, fundamentally it's huge. It's a big market disruptor. I've seen everything go red on the S&P 500. Almost every company is sitting in the red right now. So my bias was primarily sells. Come on now. I mean, I can't see buys. I can't even see short-term buys. I'm not even going to put myself in an opportunity to take short-term buys. With the market dropping 4,000 points in 3 days, hell no. I'm not taking buys at all. Why would I? Why would I go against a massive trend like that? That means that's where all the money is going. 3 days, 4,000 points. All the money is selling off. Why would I be trying to buy with no? Come on. Come on. With my little couple of pennies in the markets, I'm gonna be trying to buy. What the hell do I know? I don't know nothing. Come on now, let's be serious. If you took buys, good for you. If you made money buys, good for you. I'm not gonna tell you you're wrong. You can be right. You definitely can be right. I'm not, as I said, I'm not telling you you're wrong. I will never tell you you're wrong for buying. I'm never gonna tell you your trade is wrong or whatever the case is. Your trade could be right. With that being said, I had a bias today and I stuck to it. Usually I'm not as strict on biases, but today I was strict on my bias. One, because of Trump tariffs. Two, we had NFP today, which was negative. And we have Trump speaking at 11:25. All of these could be possible, like they're big news events, and they could be possibly bearish news events, just to cascade on what everything that's been going on. So I'm just trying to go with the trend, honestly. I just try to go with the trend. Obviously, I said I'm not the biggest fundamental guy. I really don't know that much on fundamentals, but I just try to go with the trend. I made it make sense. The charts looking bearish, the fundamentals is looking bearish. That's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to put those two together. You feel me? So let's drop on to 1 minute. Let me show you guys. Now is where I'm going to use the bar replay tool. Let's go back to like right around 9:30, excuse me. So right around 9:30, right? The markets, I was looking for price to drop all the way down first, like drop and break this structure, because you could see, let me get rid of all of this right here. You can see the markets is moving in waves of structure. You can see it was starting to push back up. But this is the 1 minute. So the 1 minute is not as strong at all compared to the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. Come on, it's not. Nothing compared to that. Right? So if it came and pushed above here, maybe I will look for another pullback here. But what I was looking for is markets to push up here and then start to drop and then form structure to go back down. I wanted to break this structure point right here. If it could have broke this structure point right here, this is where I'm starting to look for sells. And you'll see it later. That's exactly where I caught my sells at, when it started to break structure right there. But I had to be patient. I had to wait it out, right? To wait it out. So let's do the market replay. Let's do the bar replay tool. As you can see, boom, market started pushing. All right, cool. What do we notice though? What do we notice? This high right here is being respected. Look at that. Came up there. The second time it came up there, it started to drop. Okay, cool. Came down here, but it didn't break this low. It didn't go lower than this price right here. So I couldn't see sells yet. I was staying patient. As I told you, that's the theme of today, patience. And then guess what market did again? Market said, boom. Come on, man. Boom. Came up the top again. Respected this area. Not one, not two, but 3 times. Came up here. I was seeing, all right, maybe it could just push up now and just, take off. But that's not what it did. As I said, I'm staying patient. I just wanted to see what the markets want to show me. What do you want to show me today, Mark? I'm not taking no buys today. I'm only looking for sales. So if it goes higher, cool. No trade day. I'm cool, whatever. So the market started to drop. I had my alerts right under this low. As I told you guys, I had my alerts right under this low, this area right here. And then markets did. Boom. It said it dropped, hit my alert right here. And this was 10:15. Drop, hit my alert. I was like, oh, jumping around the charts. Let's see what happens now. So now I'm waiting for the nice pullback. Waiting for market to pull back. Exactly what it's doing right now. Starting to pull back. Pull back. Pull back. And then I'm looking for a strong bullish candle to show, a strong bearish candle for the markets to show me, hey, we're back into play for the sells. I'm going to show you where I got that bearish candle at. Boom. This was the strong bearish candle to say, sells is in, baby. I got it on the retest right here. Waited for the market to come back up. Retest this area. Drop. Simple. It's simple. I was just top down analysis. And then the trade lasted about from 10:24 to about 10:30. So that's about 6 minutes. Yeah, it lasted about 6 minutes. Great trade, man. I made $1,124 as I showed you guys. $1,124. You could see you can pick up the charts even more. Right here, $1,124. Solid day. Can't complain. Really good day. But theme of today was to be patient. And I was patient. I caught the trade with the gang. Let's get it.